The enchanted tiki room. Tiki 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 room. The tiki 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 room. Oh, the Aladdin. But guess where we at? The Tropical Highway. Hideaway. Sorry, Hideaway. Ooh, let's see what's all the fuss is about. Specials. Where do we go? Go straight. Ooh, the river. The best of the jungle. Catch of the day. Ooh. Flavors. Apple, orange, raspberry. Oh, it looks nice. Thank you. Thank you. You too.
The beef.
The beef.
This one's the chicken.
Chicken.
And they do have a third one. It's vegetables for like vegetarians or whatnot.
So we just got two, and each one is $5.99. They told me they don't do the annual passes here.
I want to try chicken. Oh,
Try
gosh.
chicken first.
I like it.
Well, my dad here. I'm gonna take a bite. The beef.
Can I get you?
Yeah. It's almost like a biscuit.
Oh!
How is it?
Take the scoop.
See the inside.
It's not bad. To me, it's not great, but it's not bad.
I have some veggies with it too. Yeah. This is really good. Yeah. You know what? I like chicken anyways, so I like it. It also has lime on top. Yeah.
What do you think of it? It's not bad, but it's not great. What do you think of it? I think you like it a lot because you took like 2 bites.
I think it's great. I don't know.
To me, I don't know. I have a different palate.
Inside the chicken. I'm not trying that.
We're gonna try the chicken now. Our daddy should try it first. It's inside.
Okay.
You wanna try it first?
Yeah.
Beef? It has hot on top of it, so I'm really like.
What do you think?
It has ginger. It seems like ginger in it. But I like the beef better.
Beef better?
Way better.
Oh, I didn't get anything.
Okay, what is your reaction on the beef?
Just take a bite out of it. Stop using the fork.
Oh. That's zesty. Like,
Yes, yeah. To me, it had a little taste of ginger in it. You like
It's
that
really
one?
good. Yeah.
Do you like it? Okay,
I
the
do
kids
like
like it.
chicken, but this one's way much better than the chicken.
yeah. It's good, but I like the beef better.
The filling. It's so delicious.
That's a chicken. I don't like the chicken that much.
Right, yeah.
Hey,
No,
let me
no.
have a chicken.
Okay.
There. Look at. You guys look.
Okay, that's good.
I gotta pay for it.
So we got the loaded whip.
Also, you can get it's caramelized bacon for 99 cents extra, but we did not get that.
Okay, the pineapple is really sweet. I like it. I like it a lot. How is it?
Good. Whatever this red stuff is really
It's
good.
really
You
sweet.
can also pick which flavors you can get. We got pineapple and orange. I think there's pineapple, orange, raspberry.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it really good?
Yeah.
Yeah, because I can tell you because you took it away from us.
Bye.
What do you give it, Lydia?
Delicious going.
1 out of 10.
10.
Oh yeah. Mama?
And
I give it a 10 too. Very delicious. Do it.
I know. I'm trying to get an answer. If you guys haven't tried here, go here now. It's really delicious.
It is kid approved. Yummy.
Yesterday, I saw a blue bird. Oh, don't worry. I quickly cheered him up.